This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for September 2nd, 2022. It's currently August 12th, 2022, 8 p.m. Guys, before I get into this reading, show some support to the channel for all the free content we're putting out there. Hit us back with some help. We need some help with our Kickstarter. Go to Kickstarter and search someta.com. One word, SOMETA, on Kickstarter. It's an astrological financial chart application for stocks and crypto. I searched for it a million times over the last 10 years, decided finally I need to build it because it just wasn't there. I'm sure you guys have looked for it too. SOMETA, my friends, check it out. I appreciate it. So the theme for the second is a move through a support level to meet a secondary support level, and then we move sideways along that support level. That's the overall theme and behavior for the day. There is a notable rally that meets the high, and also a notable decline out of the rally, or out of the high. The high and the low are within close time proximity to each other. Are you okay, buddy? You want to sit down? They're in close proximity to each other. What's up? You want to come back? You're funny. You are funny. Sorry, guys. So behavior around the high, there's going to be some volatility, and there's an opportunity around the highest price level to open up to play both sides of the market. So straddle or strangle price level, and then behavior around the low. Again, the high and the low are going to be in close proximity to each other on a timeline. And the low will form after a sharp decline. Looks like a sharp decline from the high. Hermes, what do you want, man? So we start off with a high at the beginning of the day in the pre-market. There's a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support level. A trade opportunity at that high again, guys. And we have a move to the upside, followed by a move back down, full retracement. Right around the open, there's like a move to the upside, followed by a move back down. It'll stand out on a one-day chart. This art card is also important because it was previewed the prior day. And this is a decline day. We have a lot of Ace of Cups congruencies on the 1 month overview. And so we go from that failed attempt to break through key resistance, decline through support, then a move up, followed by a full retracement back down. It's the end of there's like the completion of a rally there in the first half hour. And then we have a sideways fluctuation with a bullish trend starting around like 10 o'clock ish and moving into noontime. There may be a little bit of a dip around there may be a bit of a dip here around let's say 11 o'clock, and then out of that dip there's a notable move from the bottom of a range to the top of a range. We see a high and a low again midday, and from a near overbought crest on RSI we sell down to that low. It looks like we break through horizontal resistance and meet a secondary resistance that we move sideways along here between like 1 and 2 o'clock. Between 2 and 3 we see a lot of volatility. There's a high and a low again. Looks like there's a bit of a rally, but it's interrupted towards the close. We go from a notable rally into the end of the day with a fast sudden move higher right at the end of the day. That's interrupted. There's a universal hexagram there. That's a trade opportunity again at a high to position oneself for both directions. Sideways fluidity along support in the post market, and an important price level again highlighted in the following day on the 3rd. Guys, hit that like button if you want to see more of this. Share with your friends, and remember that rule of thumb, guys, that karmic rule of thumb. When you make money from this reading, take a little bit of it and pay it forward. There's people out there that need that. They need that kindness, right? Take a little bit of it and pay it back. Show some gratitude. Gratitude begets gratitude, my friends. And then with the rest of it, do what you got to do. As long as it's out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold. I'll see you on the next one.